When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoyed this fantastic review. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise, because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with anyone, whether they are new or returning. Contact us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.